Hello, realtors. I'm back. Right now, we can focus absolutely on the screen how exactly, as a real estate marketing company, you can generate leads and inquiries. So, before we understand the exact process, we need to understand what is your biggest problem. What exactly is the biggest problem right now you are facing in your real estate business? Just pause the video and take a 10 seconds off break and use the comment section and tell me what exactly is the problem you are facing right now in your real estate business, right? What exactly is the problem? So that I can absolutely connect with you in the comment section one to one and help you with the right direction. So, real estate marketing guide, the biggest struggle. What exactly? The biggest struggle of today's real estate agent is that you lack clarity. That means, you need to understand generating a successful real estate company is all about executing a process step by step in a right direction. And direction is directly related to the clarity of the path. And when it comes to clarity, the first and foremost thing you suffer right now, that who exactly do you need to target? Because each and every target group to whom you are trying to sell have a different objective to invest in your property. Let's say if you're targeting to working professional, they have a different objective. That means the messages, the creatives, the banner, the sales script should resonate to their motivation, why exactly they want to invest. While if you are targeting to the retired working professionals, retired group, then their motivation is something different to invest. Let's say if you're targeting to NRIs, or let's say for example European investors, US investors, European investors, then again they have a different motivation, right? If you are selling rental, if you are selling no matter what exactly, to whom exactly you are trying to sell, but the biggest deficiency is you lack whom exactly you need to target. Because marketing lead generation is all about messaging, right? If you don't know that who exactly is the group of people who are going to make a decision, then you are gone. Then comes what exactly are you selling? As a realtor, in the beginning, it's like, you try out your hand in everything. But over a time, in the beginning, it is okay. You, with the word of mouth, you talk to your friend, family, relatives that you've started a business, you start showing the projects to your units to your friend, family, and relative, that is fine. But eventually, after working for 3 to 6 months, you should be very, very clear that what exactly is the thing that you want to sell. Hana, what exactly what are you selling? Luxury segment, maybe 1 crore plus products. Are you into budget range like 35 to 45 lakh INR ka project? Or are you into mid-sized, mid-level projects like 50 lakh, 80 lakh ranged properties? Are you into selling open plots? What exactly are you into? Renting, selling out, rental property? What exactly are you into? Renting, buying? What exactly are you selling? So this is a very important thing you need to understand. The next important thing is cold calling. This is going to be the biggest killer in this industry. You need to understand, you get a list of all the contact details and you do a lot of cold call. इसे कहते हैं तुक्का लगाना. This is called, in Hindi, it is called as तुक्का लगाना. That means you are blindfoldedly trying to close something. You are trying to talk to a person who eventually have never shown any interest towards buying the property. The next important thing, lack of clarity. You think that listing yourself in marketplaces like Magic Bricks, that is in India, the lead that gets generated on these marketplaces is just not the lead exclusively for you. This lead is distributed to multiple other realtors by the platform. That means if a lead that gets generated on the platform is distributed among 10 real estate agents or 10 real estate companies, and all the real estate companies are talking to one client for selling their projects and properties, you need to understand this. There is a high chance that the customer will buy from you. The probability is 1 by 10. If 10 real estate agents are talking to one single customer, then the probability and potential that the customer will buy from you is 1 by 10, because the quality of the lead is very bad, because that particular contact information has been shared with 100 people. There is no exclusivity of the lead. That is the biggest problem. And the second important critical lack of clarity issue is lead duplicacy problem. The lead that has been given to has already been distributed to 100 people. The next comes word of mouth. You just cannot bury yourself under the soil and expect that people will talk about your brand, your company, your services in the market and give you business. Word of mouth, Bhagwan Bharose business. So these are the most important and most critical challenges a real estate agent faces. And what is the big problem now? These are the three important biggest problem right now that I just now discussed. Lead duplicacy. If you are listing yourself in the marketplace, the leads that you get will be duplicate. The quality of the lead will be very, very low because there are hundreds of real estate agents trying to communicate with the same lead. It's not exclusive for you. The lead quality is very less and longer sales cycle. Let's say, for example, you are doing a cold call, convincing the person again and again, making them sure that when exactly they can visit the site, what is their budget, what is their preference. The sales cycle goes on and on and on and on. Let's say if I create a system for you where the lead knocks at your door, comes ahead proactively, shares their contact information with you proactively, sharing all the details over a form and showing their strong desire and urgency towards buying a home, you see most of the tasks are already done in an automated way. That means the customer is already qualified when you are talking to. That means you are talking to a person who is already having a desire. They already have an urgency to book a flat and they also trust on you because they got attracted because the value that you have created in the market. And this is something that I'm going to discuss today. Now, what is the best platform, most effective platform to generate leads today? I will strongly vouch it's Facebook, one of the platforms. In this coming playlist, in this entire playlist, I'll be talking about the most effective lead generation strategies, lead generation platform. And one of the platform is Facebook. We just cannot ignore Facebook. Why? Because Facebook is the largest social media platform, around 1.7 billion potential buyers right now on Facebook. Then comes highly targeted audience. Let's say if you are targeting to a group of doctors, if you see on the screen, we have an option in Facebook advertisement targeting options. We can directly make a list of all the people in Bangalore or in Dubai who are frequent international travelers. We can make a list of all the people in Dubai, those who are expats, those who have traveled from other countries to stay there. We can make a list of all the people and target the people. Let's say you're targeting to only doctors. You can target to all the MBBS, medical practitioners. So this level of targeting can be done. If you want to target to all the people who are with public services, those who have listed themselves as public services, government servants, you can target them. If you want to target to all the software engineers, then also that feature is present on. You see, when you know exactly who is the group of people who are going to see your message, the creatives, the banner and the offer can be highly personalized and the conversion rate will be very, very high. It is highly cost effective. We have been helping many clients from Dubai. We are helping many clients from Saudi, Middle East and from India, from the top territories like Maharashtra, Mumbai, Pune, New Delhi, Bangalore. The cost per lead comes down to as low as 70 rupees INR and it's Dubai, it's at 30 AD. It's 30 AD. So you see, it's so cost effective. The next important way how Facebook can help is retargeting. That means you need to understand nobody is going to buy from you. Nobody is going to book an apartment or give you the token amount unless and until they have not researched about you properly, because it's buying a home is a big decision for your client. Unless and until they are not seeing your brand for 7 to 32 times or meeting your consultant, meeting your salespeople, talking to their friend and family, minimum 7 to 32 times, they are not going to take a decision. This is what the buying psychology says. Minimum 7 to 32 touch points you have to create while selling any real estate product. This is where the remarketing comes into picture. That means remarketing means marketing to the people, those who have already visited your website. Once the customer comes to your website, you can show your company brand banners, you can show your customer testimonies, you can show your property tour videos wherever they are on social media. It will make your brand more memorable. It will help you to improve the recall value of your brand in the subconscious mind of the people. It will help you to remain on the top of the mind of your customers the moment they make a buying decision. Then comes, you can also automate the follow-up via email and WhatsApp. Automate. That means anybody who clicks on your ad will be getting added to a list where they will be receiving messages and mails via WhatsApp and email absolutely in an automation way without any human intervention. this sort of automation can be created. It will also automate your lead qualification by qualifying questions. A lot of people come and say, hey, we are facing a lot of problem in lead quality. We can create an instant form on Facebook that will have some highly important critical qualifying questions that is very much important for your business. What type of property you are interested in? 2 BHK, 3 BHK? When exactly are you planning to book? Current month, next month, or not yet decided? What is your location? You can ask which location, which property you are interested. So you can give a list of locations also. Now, when you give certain amount of questions to the customers, you need to understand this. Only serious people, those who are ready to invest in short-term future, will definitely fill in the form. Time passers will remain away. Time passers will absolutely remain away. Now, let us understand how exactly we can build a sales funnel for you. Right. The sales funnel overview, it's an absolute 3-step process. Attract, survey, and we will fix up a call for you. First of one thing, we will be attracting. That means our team will be sitting with you and understanding that who is your right audience. Our expert marketing intelligence team will help you to make the most profitable target group for your products. It can be working professionals, it can be investors from Europe, it can be expats, NRI, it can be high net worth individuals, retired groups, ex-army professionals, software professionals, government servant, young couples, doctor, people interested in investments, people interested in real estate economics, etc. Plus, we'll be also figuring out what exactly are the locations where you want to target. Because when you are in a real estate business, you just cannot go haywire. First of all, you have to start with a territory, whether you are targeting in Dubai, whether targeting at Sharjah, whether you are targeting the group of people, those who are expats coming to Dubai and staying, whether you are targeting in North Bangalore, whether you are targeting in South Bangalore, you should be very, very clear about the location and the region. Then we'll also help you to build a portfolio to showcase exactly what you are selling and what are your unique sales point, like whether you are into mid-range home, luxury home, economy homes, apartments, studio, open plots, what exactly mandates, what exactly you are trying to do. And will help you to build a portfolio that will help the customer to understand what is your offering, how exactly you can create that offer that will immediately help them to make a decision and become your inquiry. So these all things will be doing in an attract phase. And our team is completely dedicated to help you. Then comes survey. In the survey phase, we will be building an instant form. The moment somebody clicks on that form, the form will immediately capture the contact details of your customer in an automated way. The form used to qualify your leads with qualifying questions, check their exact requirement, urgency, and seriousness. It will filter out unnecessary and time pass leads. Then comes call. In the call phase, we'll be helping you and guiding you how exactly you can present your product, what should be the tone, what should be the way, how you can build that rapport, relationship. The first and foremost thing that will be helping you is how to conduct a sales call, information call, and capture the requirement. This is where we will also give you a lot of tips and tricks. So this is how we help you to generate high quality inquiries and leads, If you look at the slides, however, we have so many success stories, hundreds of success stories. You need to understand, if you look at the screen right now, here are some of the success stories. If you look at the screen right now, recently you see this is a screenshot from our lead generation ad campaign. And we have created, just by investing 245 rupees, if you can see on the screen, 245 rupees, we have generated 245 high quality leads with a lead per cost is 23 rupees. Wow, that's great. If you look at this particular screenshot, again, I have taken it from my cell phone, from my advertisement manager account, ad manager account. We have created somehow around 35 leads, high quality leads at rupee 15. And trust me, these are the leads which are exclusively generated for our clients. These are not duplicate leads. And the quality of the leads will be very high. That means the client or your prospect will look at your offer, scroll your offer, click on your ad, become your inquiry, and they are exclusively raising an inquiry for your product. And that particular lead is not shared with anybody else. You have the 200% lead ownership.